Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor sheet metal tutorial. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the right side plane, the YZ plane we will select here. So this will be the right view. Take the line command, select this point and make a L shape bending. Okay, till here and one till here. Now escape, go to dimension, define this total as 95.4 mm, define this as 20 mm and define this also as 20 mm. Now finish sketch. Here this is an open profile, so we'll click on counter flange, go to right view. So you can see this has been drawn, the sheet is going outside the sketch. So we'll flip the direction, so it will come inside the sketch. You will take home view. Now from here we will take symmetric and take here a distance of 115 mm. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch and here take the arc command, rectangle command and take center to center slot. Make one slot profile here, go to dimension, define this radius as 20 mm and the center to center distance here will be of 40 mm and the distance from this outer, this will be 30.2 mm. Okay, now go to vertical constraint, select this point and here select this point. Finish sketch, take here 3D model, take extrude. Here I'll take symmetric and take here cut. The distance here will be all, so this will be a through cut both sides. Here take symmetric again and press OK. Okay. Now I'll change the thickness. So for thickness, go to sheet metal and here click on sheet metal defaults. Click on thickness rule and take the thickness of 1.5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to make the hole profiles. So for hole, take the circle command. Make one hole here of diameter 5. Go to dimension. Define from here at 10 mm and the distance from side will be of 22.5 mm. Take here rectangular pattern. Select the circle, go to direction 1, select this line and take a count of 3 and here the distance between will be 35 mm. Press OK. Finish sketch. Take here the cut command, select all 3 circles. So this will cut up to thickness of 1.5 mm depth and press OK. Select, now we want to make the at bottom. So select this bottom face, go to create sketch. Take circle command, make one circle here and make one circle here. Go to dimension, define this as 5 dia, this also 5 dia. Now here we will define the distance from here at 6 mm and the distance from here will be 18.7. Okay. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this and select this. Go to dimension and define from side at 18.7. Finish sketch. Here again take cut, select both the circles and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 4. Go to dimension. Now from base, this center will be at 17.7 mm, and from side this will be at 7.5 mm. Now we'll go to the rectangular pattern. Select the circle, go to direction 1, select this at direction 1, take here a count of 3, and the center to center distance here will be of 30 mm. Now I want similar profile this side as well. Go to direction 2, select this, so this will be the direction 2. Take here count of 2 and the center to center distance of 100 and press OK. Finish sketch. Take here 3D model, take extrude, home view, select all the profiles, take here cut and press OK. Now here go to sheet metal, take corner round profile. So here we will take corner round command. Select this corner, this, select this, select this, this and this. We have taken a radius of 6 mm and press OK. Okay, go to part 7. You can see the same profile. Go to part 3. Now here I'll define the appearance. Take blue wall paint glossy. Now for the flat pattern, just click create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this profile. Now go to the folded part. So this will be the final out. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.